parent, choosing the right school district for your children is one of the most important decisions you'll make. Sauk Prairie is a growing community just 20 minutes from Madison that rallies around our schools. The Sauk Prairie School District offers opportunities for every child to learn, grow, and succeed. We've recently invested in modern school facilities that will help enrich our students' lives and prepare them for their future. From outdoor learning classrooms and play spaces for our littlest learners to state-of-the-art facilities for collaborative learning, ag science, tech ed, manufacturing, and medical careers, we have it all. What an exciting place to learn, grow, and teach. The Sauk Prairie family, together we soar!